Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this beautiful lash book that I created. I am a lash junkie, as you can tell here, and a lot of the times I'll be looking for a certain lash style and I would never find them on time because of course I'm always rushing. So I came up with this idea. So this is what I had. Yeah, it is a total mess. 2 drawers full of lashes plus these new ones that I just got. So the first thing that I needed to do was, of course, take everything out. Yes, I took everything out of the drawers and then I went ahead and sorted them out by, I guess, by thickness, or if they were 3D or whatnot. You will be needing a 2-inch ring binder. You will be needing cardstock and also dividers. The first step is to get the dividers and apply some glue. You will be gluing the cardstock right on that divider, and just make sure that you press it pretty good so it stays in place. For this project I went ahead and used 5 of these dividers, and I went ahead and did the same thing on each one of them. This cardstock, I found it at Dollar Tree. It's supposed to be like for business cards or whatnot, but anyway, I had it already. The next step is to get a hole puncher and just punching those holes, because you will be also putting some of that paper on the back like so, and you want to make sure that you do have those holes in place. My Elmer's glue was giving me so much trouble getting it out of the actual applicator, so I went ahead and just got a pencil and just went ahead and do it the messy way. So you're gonna end up with something that looks like this, and of course, you need to use that hole puncher once again to make sure that you do have your holes on both sides. Then you're gonna get your binder and put in each page like so, and now it is time to start working with the lashes. So I have my lashes here, and at the beginning I wasn't sure if I wanted to put the lashes with the actual packaging. But if I did that, then it was going to take too much space, so I decided just to take out the lashes just with whatever comes inside the packaging. I went ahead and hot glue them onto the actual page. As you can see here, I'm just applying hot glue on each corner, and that's going to keep them in place. Like I said, I had already previously sorted them out how I want them on each page, so I knew that I wanted the 3D mink lashes on this sticker binder. I will be creating a second one because honestly this 2-inch binder wasn't enough, so I did have to make another one, but you are going to follow the same steps. This is my second one. At the time I had a pink binder on hand, then I went back to Walmart and got a white one, but it is the same procedure. Of course, I needed to find a very nice book cover for my binder, so I went ahead and I went on the internet and I started looking for eyelash quotes, eyelash images and whatnot. And you know, I tried to download them, something that's called PNG, which is a clear background, but that just gave me too much trouble. So what I did instead was just to take a screen picture, and then I went to canva.com. I do have a tutorial on how to use Canva, and I just went ahead and used these book covers. So my friends, this is the final result. I think it turned out perfectly for me anyway. Now I can look at the lashes that I want to use, and I will have easier access. I went ahead and labeled some of the lashes, not all of them, but I thought that this was a great idea to share with you. Well, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.